Hello guys, I am Aditya Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to how to replace PowerShell with command prompt. So let's start with the video. So now you can see I am in the ADB folder, and after pressing the shift and right click, you can see it only showing the PowerShell option. So let's start. First we need to open the notepad. After opening the notepad, just copy the command, this command. I'll put that command link in the description so you can copy it and paste it, and after pasting it, save it anywhere. I am just saving in a folder which is empty so that it will be easy to find it. So save it and save it as a name, any name, like I am doing example.reg, but remember that extension should be reg, means resident. So save, then close this, open where you saved that file, and after that just double click on this and press yes. It will ask to add yes, and you can see it has been done. Now navigate to that folder and you can see now it is showing both those options. So thanks guys for watching.